All right, here we have the new hitch for our Badboy Rambler mower we just bought. It's a 2025. This is 26. It's still a brand new model. I got this on Amazon. I believe it was like 45 bucks. But here's your pin. It comes with all the bolts and all. There's only 4 mounting. You got 2 here and 2 here. That'll go up underneath that machine, and you'll see. I'll show you the 2 bolt holes and all, and we'll do a video on installing it here real quick. Everything looks good. Looks like it looks about 3/16 thick. I'll check that. Okay, this is what we have for our installation. I've got a 1/2 inch wrench and a 1/2 inch socket on my ratchet there. It comes with the 4 bolts, 4 washers, and 4 nylock washers or nuts. There is the actual attachment for the hitch. Here's your hitch. We're going to get underneath there and put this on and see how this goes. So you've got the 2 holes back here on your frame, and then we have these 2, which we'll just slide this up there, get her lined up, and put the bolts in. I'll have to stop this for a sec to do that. Hold on. All right, let's get this installation done. Up there, line them up. Let's get a bolt started. One. All right. We'll run that down with a little impact and then secure it. From the way these fit, I do believe these are 13 millimeters and not 1/2 inch. They are tight on the socket and wrench. All right. Tighten those down. All right, that's done. Okay, there you go. Hardest part was getting the nuts started. It's installed. That's really only a couple minute job. Let's get this hitch in there. Now they do sell the small hitch that goes here for a utility trailer. It's just a hole in it with a pin for the small little yard trailers, which I'll be purchasing one of them. But you could see this is, I mean, to buy it on Amazon, much cheaper than the dealer. I think these are $75 from Badboy. This one, I believe I picked it up for 45 bucks or something. The hole is a little tight. They powder coated it. Looks like it will go in. I might just have to clean that hole up a little bit. It's just biting on the threads, but it's going down. There we go. Let's pop that back off. We'll tighten it down. There we have it, all hooked up. Works well, no problems. The only thing I might like to do is flip that hitch over so it's a little higher. See, the trailer is pointing down. I think I'll do that.